Hi, PerspectiveWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday, December 4th. A couple of frontal systems will have to be dealt with over the next few days in the mid-Atlantic region, the northeast U.S. The first front is a relatively weak front in terms of the temperature change, not much, kind of chilly ahead of the front, and it'll be chilly on Thursday behind the front. It has caused a couple of snow showers already this morning that put down a little bit of a trace of snow in the Philadelphia metro region just before daybreak. It's now moving into southern and central New Jersey, weakening also, and maybe a shower of rain or snow this afternoon and evening with the approach of that frontal system. A stronger front arrives on Friday night, and that front will usher in a very cold air mass for this time of the year as we begin the upcoming weekend. But after that, Sunday will be kind of a transition day. We turn somewhat milder, but then a big push of milder air comes in for Monday and Tuesday of next week into the Mid-Atlantic region, northeast U.S. In fact, high temperatures on both Monday and Tuesday look like they'll be in the 50s, D.C. to Philadelphia to New York City corridor. But both of those days, Monday and Tuesday, also look wet with some scattered showers both Monday and Tuesday. Another strong cold front arrives Tuesday night, ushers in a very chilly air mass for the second half of next week. Well, let's take a look at the radar map for the U.S. This is from WSI's Intellicast.com. Really one big storm on the map right now. It's a Pacific Ocean storm slamming California with rain and snow, significant rainfall along coastal sections and the Sierra Nevada mountains of eastern California, again getting pounded with some significant rainfall. Some scattered activity across the Great Lakes into the northeast associated with this initial frontal system. And we had a little band right here showing up over New Jersey right now of snow showers that pushed through Philadelphia metro region just before daybreak, put down a little bit of a dusting of snow in some spots, moving over New Jersey now, weakening a little bit. Certainly can be a rain or snow shower pushing into the I-95 corridor region from upstream there for the afternoon and evening as that weak frontal system arrives. Well, here's a current surface map, and again, the biggest storm on the map is this Pacific Ocean storm that is moving east inland, causing some significant rainfall along coastal sections and significant snow along the higher elevations of the Sierra Nevada mountain range in eastern California. Scattered snow showers and maybe some rain showers later today ahead of this weak frontal system that drops to the south and east. A stronger front way up here in northwestern Canada right now arrives on Friday evening in the eastern seaboard area. And again, that will usher in quite a cold air mass as we begin the weekend. High temperatures on Saturday afternoon, probably confined to the 30s in most areas in the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, let's take a look at last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. Again, some scattered snow shower activity early today associated with that approaching weak frontal system. During the afternoon hours, it may become just warm enough for some scattered rain showers, perhaps mixed with snow. Nothing significant in the afternoon and evening as the breeze picks up. The frontal system approaches, it passes through and kind of reinforces the chilly air mass that's in place today. Will be below normal again today as well as tomorrow. And again, the breeze picks up late in the day, continues quite breezy tonight and on Thursday as well in the northeast U.S. Meanwhile, California gets hit today with some rain and snow. That storm moves into the interior west by tomorrow morning and then tends to weaken. And here we go, by the time we get to the early part of the weekend, this very strong high pressure system shows up. Northern plains, it's a Canadian high. It's got really an Arctic air mass associated with it. A strong frontal system comes through the Mid-Atlantic region, northeast U.S. Friday evening, perhaps on the dry side, but it can have a rain or snow shower associated with it as well. And then high pressure takes over as we begin the upcoming week. And a cold day on Saturday, probably dry, probably breezy. High temperatures confined to the 30s, most areas in the I-95 corridor region of the Mid-Atlantic. Then that high pressure area shifts to the western Atlantic by Sunday. Sunday kind of a transitional day, Still cold, but not as cold as Saturday. And then look at this setup here. We have a southwesterly flow on the backside of this high pressure system. That really warms up the Ohio Valley on Sunday, and then by the time we get into Monday, it brings some much milder air into the mid-Atlantic region, the northeast U.S., even the eastern Great Lakes, but there'll also be an increasing chance for showers on Monday. And then by Tuesday, the southwesterly flow continues and will probably jump up well into the 50s again on Tuesday afternoon in the D.C., Philadelphia, New York City corridor, but more showers associated with the next strong cold front, and that front looks like it arrives after the rain on Tuesday. It arrives around Tuesday night right here, pushing off the eastern seaboard by early Wednesday morning, and that will usher in another cold air mass for the Great Lakes, the Mid-Atlantic, the Northeast U.S. by Wednesday of next week, and it stays quite chilly for much of the latter half of next week. So kind of a topsy-turvy temperature pattern over the next several days. Moderately cold today, tomorrow, into Friday. Quite a bit colder for Saturday, generally in the 30s. We begin to turn the corner, though, on Sunday, and it gets really mild relative to normals for this time of the year on Monday and Tuesday, only to drop off again by the middle part of next week. Well, that's it for now. For PerspectiveWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.